Hello everyone and welcome back to another IronCAD tutorial video. Today we'll be going through another practice 2-toe Toby model dated 11/03, the replacement knob. Looking at this model, it's a series of cylinders, cut cylinders using a circular pattern, using the hole cut within the catalog, and then even using some blends. So going through IronCAD, we'll be able to design this part very easily, very quickly. So starting off, we'll add a cylinder from the catalog. We'll adjust the diameter to the 125 diameter. Adjusting the height to be 25. Now we'll go in, we'll add the cut cylinder with the total diameter of 66. We'll go into the TriBall. The total distance or diameter of this circular pattern is 175. So we'll do 175 divided by 2 to get that radius. And what we can do now is go into the pattern feature. Make sure that we're going into a circular pattern. That way we can go and create. So circular pattern, it'll be 360. Good. The axis would be here. It'll be evenly spaced. Click OK. Now what we'll do is we'll go in and we'll select each and every single one of these lines here to make sure that we can add the proper blends, which is a total of 20 millimeters for each of these corners. Okay, add the blend, 20 millimeters. All right. So now what we can do is we can go in and add the cylinder here in the middle. The cylinder has a total diameter of 52. We can adjust it here. We can see the total height from this point to this point down at the bottom is 67. So we can adjust this. What we'll do now is we'll go in and we'll add the chamfer here. So this chamfer will be the distance and angle. We'll add it to this point here. It'll be 15 millimeters and 25 degrees. We'll click OK. And we'll go in now and we'll add this hole in the middle. So we'll go back to the IC Mech tools. Add this hole here to the center. This will be a normal hole. It's not flat. It has a bottom V of 118 degrees. The total diameter will be 16. And the hole depth would be 50. Click OK. All right. There we are. And so what we can now do is we can go back in and add the secondary hole, which we can add a cut cylinder here. So we want to go to the top, make sure we add it to this quadrant here. This is the total diameter of 10. If we go back to the right side, we can adjust with the TriBall, make this 90 degrees. We can adjust this here. To the right, so we know that the total height from this 10 to the middle to the bottom is 42. So we can add from point 42. All right. So what we can do for this hole is bring it out here, and we can bring this to this center point here. Great. Okay. And then lastly, what we can do is we can go back in and add the blends. This blend here would be 6. This blend here at the bottom would also be 6 as well. Click OK. We'll go into the properties of the final part. We'll adjust this to be 1020, and a total of 344.9 or 345 is your total mass. Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.